Hello, it is so windy today. It's cold too. Yes, the hair's gone, new look. But 2 weeks ago, I bought this beautiful beast and got it shipped to Juice Motors. Sam hooked me up, got it fixed, driving excellently well, if that's a word. And then I bought literally loads of parts. I'm ready to start pulling this apart and tinkering with it and doing all sorts. But I thought, before I do all of that, why don't we do a very quick walk around, just to sort of get an idea of what I've got, where it's currently at, and then over time I have something to reference. So quick walk around and then take from there. Let's do it. So, first things first, we've got building works going on there. So that's where the loud music is coming from. Apologies. But let's get back to business. First impressions are the bodywork is extremely straight. I'm so pleased with that, as you can see on the screen. It's just, for me, for a 54-year-old vehicle, having such a great bodywork, that's a blessing. Like, I'm really pleased with that. So just a quick walk around before we zoom in and focus on things. Bodywork wise, I can't fault it. There's a small tiny mark over there. I'll show it to you later. But overall, I'm so pleased with the bodywork. And yeah, just trying to move out of the road. So that's a quick walk around. And then let's zoom into specific areas. And the first thing worth mentioning is that this has certainly been left out for a year or so. All of these green lime things you can see here, this sort of green molds, these things don't build up over a week or two, although the guy bought it from told me he'd only left it out for like 2 weeks. I told him, no, that's not true. It's been out for months. Probably a year, if not more. But anyway, I think with a good wash, we can get rid of most of these. And they're quite bad. You can see here, the black paint is coming off. And the original, I think, my understanding is, this was painted blue previously because it was used on a family farm or something like that. So they painted it blue. Then the guy who bought it from them then did this military restoration to it, and then couldn't drive it. And you can see the blue coming through in some areas over there, more so over here. But I'm still thinking through my plans for that. Where should we go? Headlamps. I think they look amazing as they are. They look great, nothing to change there. I'll talk through this in my plan later, but I'll be demilitarizing it. I'm sorry for those who want that, but this will go, and a few other things. I might just keep this bit here when I respray this, but I'll talk about that later. The lights, the front, I don't think these are original. I think these are like modern ones, but the back ones are original ones. The front certainly looks the part. And if you look at the wheels, all of the wheels are perishing. As you can see here, sorry about the noise, they're perishing badly, but the tires rather, but the wheels are fine. Underneath, it's all fine. I spent ages looking at the chassis when I went to view it. Everything looks really good, chassis wise. The doors, they're alright. Some things could change. I'm going to pause now because of that noise. Alright, it's stopped. Let's continue. So, bodywork wise, all good. No major issues there. Again, the tires are perishing, as you can see over there. But I've got a plan for that, and I'll let you in on that later. So, Let's focus on this. The rear tub, it's fine. It's probably the bit that has been bitten up the most. We've got a lock space here. How do you open that? There you go. Nothing is in there. It still has that light blue color, but all good. Nothing major. It has, I think, something else there. I don't think so. It's fine. One thing to point out is it's got this hole here, which I'll be fixing, and I'm looking forward to fixing actually. I've got this thing I bought off the internet a year ago, and I used it on the Defender. It was great. The rear is in great condition. Rear cross member, nothing major, no major rust or anything right now. It's all good. Electrics, I hear it's fine. I haven't tested it. This is great. Yeah, the rear lights, like I said, they're all original. All original. And you can see here my point earlier, I think the guy who did the painting did a terrible job, and you can see all over here. You can see red here, a bit of red here, the blue coming through here. Yeah, I'll need to correct all of these areas. One thing I'm really upset about is that they didn't keep this galvanized. I think the beauty of these series trucks is the galvanized steel silver color running through the sides. I think for me that's one of the main attractions anyway. But so that's it for on the outside. A few other things. I've got holes in here, the 3 of them, 1, 2 and the third one over there. I'll be filling them up. It has all of these green slimes. I think I just need to give it a proper wash to take care of that, but I'll be doing that later. I've got a massive plan for this. I literally have got my spare bedroom filled up with parts I've been buying for almost 2 weeks. So very exciting project I'm looking to be working on. The outsides, as you can see, the gutters, they're not too bad, but worth looking at. Now let's move to the inside, which is where I feel most of the issues are. And the first one I'll show it to you actually is this. Can you see that? It's just not watertight. It isn't, and I've already got the seals to do that, so I'll talk through that later. I don't want to share too much now. Anyway, as you can see, that's all gone. So yeah, the insides, no, the dash is actually quite good. The dash is in a reasonably good shape. I'm very pleased with that, very happy with that. I've bought new floor mats. These are not doing anything. I'm really happy actually. Let's take my hat off. I've got a new look now, no hair. I'm really happy with the original seats. Look at that. That is very good. And I haven't seen many of them in this sort of burgundy red. I think that's what you call it, a burgundy color. So I'm really happy with that. The areas that concern me the most, the seals. Excuse me. I'm not sure if you can see this properly. The camera is terrible. Well, it's a new camera. It's good, but it's just the lighting is terrible. You can see the green slimes over there, and whenever it rains, water comes through everywhere. And then if you look closer at the back window as well, as you can see all of that, it's perished. All the linings have perished. And the right one is actually better. This is fine. It's mostly the rear truck cab window and the left sill of the glass. These have all perished, as you can see. So these need to be changed ASAP. I don't think there's much to show inside. I've got some, maybe we can see what's in here. I haven't checked this out yet. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Yeah, anyway. It has seat belts, which is great actually, although I haven't used them yet. Just look at that. Just look at the state of that. All original, looking good. Very happy with that. All fold out as they should. Actually, the guy said he left me the original. Oops, let's see. The guy I bought it from had the black and silver plates made, and they said they left them for me here. Oh, look at that. What do we have here? Okay, this is the wiring diagram. Great. I think this newspaper shows when it was advertised years ago. That's it over there. Oh yes, here we go. And these are the black and silver plates. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'll try to install these soon. What else do we have in here? Okay. Oh wow, wow, look at that. I was not expecting this. So these are, oh wow, okay, thank you. And you can see the original, the blue color I was referring to earlier. It's all here. So this is it. This really is it. Next video I'll be talking about my plans for it and everything I bought to restore it. But for now, here we are. This is it in its glory. This is probably the last time it will look like this. But please follow the journey. Follow me on Instagram, Overland and Lex. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, please do subscribe. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.